Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Google Photos to another account. On your Google Photos, just select videos and then click this share button and then click create link and then copy that link and then go to another tab, just paste the link right there. And then just change the account you are using. Then you will be in the new tab. Then you can see these photos or videos. Just click save here. And then just to check if you really did save the videos on another account, let's delete these photos from the previous account. Then when I open this once again, I'm gonna search for Google Photos and then I'm going to open the account and you'll see the videos or photos are still there. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope it helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.